Learning English, Intermediate Grammar, Relative Clauses. Welcome to another exciting English language learning video. In this lesson, we'll dive into the fascinating world of intermediate grammar, focusing specifically on defining relative clauses. Today, we'll explore a topic called using when for times. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the usage of when for times, let's briefly recap what defining relative clauses are. Defining relative clauses are used to provide essential information about a noun or pronoun. They are often introduced by words like who, which, or that. These clauses help us identify or define the noun they are modifying. Now that we have a basic understanding of defining relative clauses, let's focus on the usage of when for times. The word when is commonly used in relative clauses to refer to specific times or moments. It helps us provide additional information about an event or action related to the noun being modified. For example, let's consider the sentence, I remember the day when I graduated from university. In this sentence, when introduces a relative clause that provides additional information about the specific time the speaker is referring to, which is the day of their university graduation. To further solidify our understanding, let's look at some examples and practice using when for times in sentences. 1. That was the moment when I first met my best friend. 2. Do you remember the time when we went on that amazing trip together? 3. I will never forget the day when I got my first job. It's important to note that when is used for specific times in the past, and it can refer to both general moments and more precise points in time. This usage adds clarity and context to our sentences, helping us express ourselves more effectively. Now, it's time for you to practice. Try creating your own sentences using when for times. You can share them in the comments below. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this English language learning video on using when for times in defining relative clauses. Remember, defining relative clauses are essential in providing additional information about a noun or pronoun, and when helps us specify the time or moment related to an event or action. Keep practicing and incorporating these grammar concepts into your English conversations. Soon, you'll become even more proficient in expressing yourself accurately and fluently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more exciting English language learning content. See you next time.